Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I would like to thank Christian from Honda Vlogs for the recap of my channel. We gained a lot of subscribers just by him putting me in his Monday night show, as I may call it that. Yeah, I'm very happy about that. So yeah, Christian, big shout out to you. Today, as you can see, I have the Civic behind me with the bumper removed. What I want to do today is a mild wire tuck. For now, the battery and the fuse box are staying, or at least I think the fuse box is also staying. Maybe I can move it, but yeah, I don't know. I want to reroute all the headlight wires underneath the fenders. I'm pretty sure you already saw somebody do it, because yeah, it's pretty easy to do. Yeah, maybe I have to extend the wires, I don't know. I have to see which way I'm gonna route them. Pull them all back in the cabin and then go out the door side, and then underneath the fenders. Then I have to lengthen the wires, but if I go a different route, then I don't have to lengthen the wires, but yeah, it's not that clean as when you go through the cabin. So yeah, I already removed the airbox, the front bumper and the side markers. Yeah, pretty easy, just a few 10mm bolts. Oh yeah, I also removed the cowl for access to the wiper motor plug. So yeah, I'm gonna remove both fenders now. Yeah, we'll have to see if I can manage that here, or maybe I have to start the car and just slide it to the side a little bit, because yeah, the bushes are pretty close, so I can't open the door fully, but I hope I can access the 10mm bolt that's on top. So yeah, I'm gonna remove both fenders now. So got both fenders removed. Yeah, one of the bolts snapped, as you could see in the time lapse, but yeah, I will have to drill that out. Yeah, no big deal. So what I'm gonna do now is yeah, detach all the wires, all the little plugs here that hold it to the chassis, and yeah, route it back towards there. I think I'm gonna take out the battery as well for now, just so I have a little bit more room. Yeah, then do the same thing on the other side, and then yeah, I will see from there. So most of the wires are free now. As you can see, I unplugged everything, took the battery out, took the fuse box out, and engine harness thingy is over here. Positive for the starter. So yeah, everything is loose. so I can pull it back into the cabin. I already removed the piece there, and that's the spot where I'm gonna pull it in. I think I'm gonna cut through the top about halfway, about here, something a little further than halfway, so I can feed the wires through there. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna pull everything into the cabin, and then I will show you what it looks like. I had to pull the wires back through the firewall because I forgot to splice them up. So I removed all the tape and the plastic that's over them, and then I pulled the wiring harness through the cabin, and it's sticking out right here now. So I'm gonna notch this so I can put this back, and then maybe fill that up with something. This I don't know what it's for. It's not being used in the car, so I'm just gonna leave that here somewhere. I don't know where to put it, but yeah, it's staying here. And as you can see, if I lay it out like this, the wires are too short now, so I'm gonna cut each wire one by one and lengthen them with about 30 centimeters or something, so I have a bit of room to play with. And then I'm gonna resolder them and loop everything back through this hole into the headlight and into the cooling fan. I will I think I will route that underneath somewhere. I have to see about that. And the ground point, don't forget that. I'm gonna mount that on one of these spots. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. So here is what I ended up with. I lengthened all the wires. The ground point is now over there. Side marker or side light. This wire is plugged back in, and they all come through that hole. Have to put some rubber or something in here, but yeah, for now this will do. I will do that later. I have to get some in the store. So yeah, and this is where you end up with. Have to tidy everything up a little bit, and then we can start working on the other side. Hey guys, welcome back. It's day 2 of the Wiretuck. I had to quit last night because I was feeling my back and my feet were hurting, so I quit, and I'm going to continue today. And maybe as you can see, I already started removing the wiring harness from the other side. So I will put you guys on the time lapse because it's literally the same process as the passenger side. So let's go. So everything is loose. I pushed the grommet inside the car, so I'm gonna pull the wiring harness through now. But first I'm gonna split the engine harness here from the other harness that's from the headlights, so this can come back outside and plug into the engine harness. So we'll do that now. So we're one step further. I got the wiring harness for the lights, etc. pulled through the door grommet. I don't know why I didn't do that on the other side, but it is what it is. Engine harness part is back in the bay. Also the plug for the wiper motor and for the brake fluid. So yeah, I'm gonna start soldering these wires back together. I just cut the plug side of it. I'm gonna lengthen them, and then I will see you guys when I am finished with all this.
One eternity later.
So all the wiring is complete. Zip tied it to the hood release cable, so it's not going anywhere. The new ground, everything is wired back up. So, and I'm gonna install the wiper harness again and the engine harness, and then build everything back, and then I will give a quick overview of how it looks when all the wires are gone. Hello guys, so this is day 3 of the Wiretuck. I did not film too much because I wanted to get it done. I was done with it. 3 days for a couple of wires, it's quite long. I took my time on it, so it's done now. I put the whole car back together, fenders on, side markers back, front bumper on, realigned everything as best as I could. So I will give you guys a overview of how it turned out. I'm happy with the result, but as I said, 3 days for a couple of wires is quite much, but it is what it is. That's how it turned out. That was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stick with me to the end. If you did, I appreciate it very much. Also consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It means a lot to me. Maybe the next video will be soon, maybe it will be later. I don't know what else I can do anymore with the budget I have, but we'll have to see about that. Thanks for sticking with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.